Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam games stuck on the loading screen. A Steam game that gets stuck on the loading screen can occur due to corrupted Steam client files, damaged temporary files, or problems with the way Steam is launching and communicating with the game. While the game files themselves may be fine, the Steam installation may contain outdated or corrupted files that interfere with normal operation. Fortunately, you can refresh the Steam client without deleting your installed games or personal data. The first thing to do is open File Explorer and navigate to the location where Steam is installed. Once you are inside the Steam installation folder, select all the files and folders by pressing Ctrl+A. This highlights everything inside the Steam directory. However, before deleting the selected files, make sure to keep the following items: the Steam Apps folder, the user data folder, the Steam executable file, steam.exe. These items contain your installed games, user information, and the application needed to reinstall the remaining Steam files. After selecting everything, hold Ctrl and click on Steam Apps, User Data, and steam.exe to unselect them. Once only the remaining files are selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This removes the old Steam client files while preserving your games and account data. The next step is to launch the Steam executable file. Locate steam.exe inside the same folder. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam as an administrator gives it the necessary permissions to recreate missing files, download fresh client components, and repair the Steam installation. When Steam launches, it will automatically download the files that were deleted and rebuild the client. Allow this process to complete fully. Once Steam has finished updating itself, sign back into your account if required and try launching the game again. Refreshing Steam in this way can resolve issues caused by corrupted client files that may prevent games from moving past the loading screen. It is important to understand that this method repairs the Steam application itself and does not remove your installed games because the Steam Apps folder is preserved. A common beginner mistake is accidentally deleting the Steam Apps folder, which contains installed game data and can result in having to re-download games. Another common mistake is interrupting Steam while it is restoring its files after launching steam.exe, which may prevent the repair process from completing properly. To summarize, fixing Steam games stuck on the loading screen begins by opening the Steam installation folder and selecting everything using Ctrl+A. Then, deselect Steam Apps, User Data, and steam.exe, and delete all remaining files. After that, right-click steam.exe, choose Run as Administrator, and allow Steam to download fresh client files. This refreshes the Steam installation while keeping your games and personal data intact, which can resolve many loading screen issues. And that's how to fix Steam games that are stuck on the loading screen. By refreshing the Steam client files and running Steam with administrative privileges, you can eliminate corrupted client data and restore normal game launching without needing to reinstall your entire game library. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.